1:06 in the afternoon, Talk Radio 790 KABC, the John Phillips Show. It is a pleasure to welcome our next guest to the program, Susan Shelly. Welcome.
Thank you, John. Great to be with you.
You know, it's amazing how different of a prognosis the real doctors are giving the County of Los Angeles as opposed to the fake doctor.
The doctors at County USC were saying there was nobody in the hospital. That was the quote. Nobody in the hospital with COVID disease, as they had seen it in the past. Nobody on a ventilator. And here was Barbara Ferrer making her normal grief-stricken wail about how people are dropping dead 14, 15, 17 a day due to COVID is the phrase that she used. And I checked with the county health department. I said, what are you using to define due to? And they pointed me to an organization of epidemiologists based in Atlanta. And they didn't use the word due to. They used the term associated. They track the associated deaths where it happens to be in this area and someone dies with a headache and a runny nose and a fever, and that might be COVID. You can't be sure, so it's a COVID-associated death. That's what they do. The death can be from any cause, and they are pretending at the health department that people are dropping dead from COVID disease, and they are scaring people out of their wits.
So there you have it. Every time we hear from the fake doctor, it's hair on fire, everyone panic, and you listen to the real doctors talk about it, they're optimistic about the future. They don't want to force us to wear the mask. They were mocking her for that.
Rightfully so. And this is really unforgivable because what she is doing aligned with what the teachers union wants in Los Angeles County, wants masks and fear. And why do they want that? Because for 2 years they've been able to negotiate contract demands, and if they can have generalized fear of COVID, they can say, well, we don't feel safe enough to come back unless you do this and this and this. Under this umbrella of fear, and Barbara Ferrer is enabling that, but the price is that people are being needlessly scared to death. And we would not even know how good the numbers really are in LA County if not for the leak of this internal town hall meeting of employees at County USC Hospital. This is criminal.